Hey guys, so I'm gonna sing Die With a Smile. I'm not a good singer, so tell me if I am in the comments or not. So if they're on, but I might do a poll anyway. So yeah. Hi, I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye. And I don't know what it all means, but since I survived, I realize wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over, and I'll tell them that was true. I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you.